The everyday carry market continues to grow rapidly, offering countless innovative tools and accessories for daily use. From cutting-edge technology to clever practical solutions, there's something for everyone who wants to upgrade their daily gear. With such an overwhelming variety of choices available, finding the right products can feel daunting. That's exactly why we've curated this collection of 7 outstanding EDC items that deserve your attention. Let's dive in. CRKD Deviation is a highly unique and eye-catching everyday carry knife designed by Terry Lee Renner. It breaks away from the traditional folding knife design, featuring a two-tone handle that has been finished with titanium nitride for a futuristic and edgy look. Despite its angular shape, the handle is surprisingly comfortable to hold. One of the standout features of the Deviation is its fast opening action, which is made possible by the IKBS ball bearing pivot system. This system ensures that the Tonto tip blade deploys quickly and smoothly, making it easy to use in a variety of situations. In terms of aesthetics, the Deviation boasts a mirror and satin blade finish that gives it a striking and distinctive look. The blade shape itself is also highly unique and unlike any other knife on the market. Overall, the CRKT Deviation is an exquisite-looking EDC knife that offers both style and functionality. Phoenix eSpark Ultra Thin is a slim and compact EDC flashlight with a unique design that combines light and power bank versatility in one compact unit. Measuring only 0.31 inches thick, it is thinner than most mobile phones, making it extremely easy to carry with you everywhere. You can either attach it to your keychain or slip in your back pocket. It's perfect for any time when you need quick illumination or your phone's battery needs a boost. The eSpark has a maximum output of 100 lumens with a 100-foot beam distance, providing plenty of light for day-to-day tasks like searching for lost items or lighting up a dark path. It also includes a red LED for easy nighttime navigation or reading, or for use as an emergency signal. The flashlight is rechargeable via USB Type-C and has an 800 milliamp hours power bank that can charge your phone about 10 to 15%. Titan Hybrid is an EDC wallet that boasts a sleek and modular design. It is a minimalist, lightweight, and elegant wallet that is perfect for anyone looking to simplify their everyday carry. The interior of the wallet is made of durable aluminum, which provides excellent protection for your cards and cash. Meanwhile, the exterior features a removable full-grain leather case that adds an extra layer of protection and gives the wallet a stylish look. One of the standout features of the wallet is its pop-up instant card access function, which allows you to quickly and easily access your cards with just the push of a button. Another great feature of the Titan Hybrid is its Anti-RFID technology, which helps to protect your cards from unauthorized scanning. In fact, this feature is not only convenient, but it also ensures that your cards are securely held in place when not in use. Finally, this wallet also comes with an attachable cash strap that is perfect for storing cash, IDs, or business cards. KonMari Orbikey Nest is an EDC organizer designed in collaboration with KonMari by Marie Kondo, known for her organization and decluttering technique. This portable and customizable desk organizer includes a built-in wireless charging feature. You can customize the storage compartments with movable dividers to fit your specific needs, allowing you to keep all your EDC items organized and easily accessible. The Nest features a single-layer organizer system, meaning that all of your items are laid out in one layer for easy visibility and access. The unique dual-function hinge also doubles as a pen loop, allowing you to store your pens and stylus conveniently. In addition to its customizable storage compartments and unique hinge, the Nest also includes dedicated storage for cards and loose items such as small tools or earbuds. Overall, the KonMari Orbikey Nest is a beautifully designed EDC organizer that offers both style and functionality. Gear-infused Ratchet is a compact and versatile EDC multi-tool that features a ratcheting mechanism, which is the first of its kind in a keychain-sized tool. It comes with two material options, stainless steel and titanium, both of which are durable and lightweight. The Ever Ratchet includes a variety of useful tools, such as a flathead screwdriver, a bottle opener, a scraper, and more. The ratcheting mechanism allows for easy tightening and loosening of screws, making a handy tool for DIY projects and everyday repairs. Its small size and keychain attachment make it easy to carry with you wherever you go. Rhino Key is an innovative EDC key organizer that provides a better way to manage your keys. It is made of durable titanium and features a simple organizing mechanism that can hold keys of different sizes while maintaining the most effortless deployment. Say goodbye to the days of searching through a messy keychain for the right key. In addition to its key organizer capabilities, the Rhino Key also comes with different tools such as a flathead screwdriver, a bottle opener, and a wrench. This makes it a versatile tool that can be used for everyday tasks. Plus, it also features an LED to illuminate the lock when it's too dark to see the keyhole. The Rhino Key is a great choice for anyone looking for an efficient and compact key organizer that also comes with added functionality. Its sturdy titanium construction ensures that it can withstand daily wear and tear, while its compact size makes it easy to carry with you wherever you go. Whether you're running errands or going on an outdoor adventure, the Rhino Key is a reliable and practical EDC item that you won't want to leave behind. To conclude, we have the Patagonia Ultralight Black Hole, a compact and lightweight sling bag designed for everyday carry and outdoor adventures. It is made from 70D recycled nylon with a silicone coating and polyurethane coating, making it highly durable and water-resistant. The Black Hole ripstop fabric ensures that the bag can withstand the wear and tear of daily use. The Ultralight Black Hole features a main compartment with a zippered closure that is spacious enough to fit all your essential items. The front pocket can be used to store smaller items like your phone, wallet, and keys. The bag is designed to be packable, so it can easily be folded and stuffed into your front pocket for compact storage when not in use. The adjustable webbing belt allows you to customize your carry and wear the bag as a sling or around your waist. The updated construction of the bag uses entirely recycled materials, making it an eco-friendly option for those who are conscious about sustainability. With its lightweight and durable design, the Patagonia Ultralight Black Hole is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and versatile EDC sling bag. So that was our list of 7 coolest EDC gadgets that are worth buying. Thanks for watching.